Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make viral AI clips on CapCut. So if you want to create viral AI clips that blow up on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels, here I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut's AI tools to turn simple videos into eye-catching viral content in just a few taps. So if you want to generate text to video using CapCut, you can use the AI generator. Here, once you open CapCut on your mobile, you'll see AI generator options. So when you click that, you'll see two options: AI effects and also AI video. So you can just click on AI video to turn text or images into videos. So if you have image reference, you can just click on the plus button in here to upload the image, or you can also just describe the video that you are imagining. Here you can also modify the model. There are three options: video 3.0, excellent prompt adherence and faster generation powered by Cdance, and also video 3.0 frames. It supports setting the first and last frames, and video 2.0 for natural and realistic motion powered by Runway. Here you can adjust the aspect ratio and also durations, but for the 10 seconds you need to join the CapCut Standard or CapCut Pro. So let's say in here I'm going to just go with a 9 by 16 for TikTok size and also Instagram Reels. So in here you can just describe the video you are imagining. For example, a cat flying out of a window. Okay, now you can just tap on generate in here to generate the AI videos. You can also minimize the progress if you want to edit some other projects, or you can also just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the video is finished generating, and in here you can see the result. You can also choose the music that you want. You can click on choose music at the bottom and replace the one that's attached on the video currently. And if you're satisfied with the result, you can tap on export, and the AI video will be done in seconds. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.